I'm Katrina. This is Tare, and today we are making a Scrappy Frittata. Oh yeah, that's right, a frittata out of scraps. This is the leftovers, the peels. There's potato skins, there's parsnip skins, the peels. There's some jalapeno tops and seeds in here. And this is our leavings from the first ever Katrina's Kits Cook With Me Live, members only event. And I cooked some mushrooms in here, and then added our leavings, and there's some cheese in here too, and kind of cooked this up. Again, added garlic powder, and we're going to make a frittata with this. Frittata is a crustless quiche, and it's going to be so yummy. I also used some powdered garlic, so that is very cool. Alright, I buttered the pan and put all the lovely scraps in here. It actually smells really good, guys. We're Scrappy Frittata. Alright, we're whisking these eggs. I don't know however many I had. Probably going to have too many eggs, and we'll just save it in the refrigerator for breakfast or for another one of these. Looks pretty good to me. Alrighty, here we go. Oven is heating to 355 because I was going to do 350 and I just went up and I went to 355, so that's fine. Anywhere between 350 and 400, this will work. We're going to put in for half an hour and see how it looks. Alright, look at that. I added some cottage cheese as a healthier alternative to cheese, mostly because I don't have enough cheese to put on this. Here we go, into the oven. Ooh, yummy! Look at that yumminess. All done. 35 minutes at 355. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Yum, yum. All right, let's taste it. Hot. Oh, really good. I love the parsnip in there. And the jalapeno pepper is nice. Guys, that is surprisingly really, really good. I'm glad I did this. So, make yourself a Scrappy Frittata. If you like the video, hit the like. And if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because we have a whole lot of stuff going on in this channel. We want you to hit the bell notification, select all so you get all the content. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.